Yo, what's going on YouTube? We are back with another YouTube video. What time is it? 12:39. Okay, I have derby because it's our favorite derby. So, we are derbying in 8 p.m. Country Kid and me made this derby area. 3, 2, 1. Go. Weather clear. I'm gonna start. Alright, I gotta start my truck. Come on, go, go, go! Oh, yes, I got this thing in 4 high. Oh! Okay. You guys, this is my new first into a derby in the 1991 Oh, dang! No. Ah! Dang it! Oh! So Yo, cool guy, you didn't just got freaking out, bro. And I was like on the end, like on the dirt. Come on, I'm trying to get out. Sadly, I am out on the 1991 first-gen Cummins. But I do got another vehicle. I'll just park the vehicles here that are out. I got the 6.9 Audi I diesel shorty. I added a grill guard so I don't mess up the grill and stuff because I just scratched it really good today and it's chipping off. Oh yeah, I gotta put this thing in 4 high. Oh! Damn, bro. Oh. Bro, when we were practicing, I flipped cool guy real good. In my high boy 7.3 Audi I swapped, he rolled over and crashed in the highway, but he's okay. He didn't get any injuries. This is the Dembo Derby. I'm gonna have to get cones. Stop. To get cones. Guys, real quick, I'm gonna go get cones for the driveway. So let's just got this old 6.9 Audi I. I got stuck. It's fine. It's not completely destroyed. It's the end of the world. It's a derby vehicle. I have 6 derby cars. Guys, my Cadillac, the motor blew up, so I took a deal. So I took out the motor and traded it into like the trailer store, and then the trailer store just took it to the junkyard. Hello, good sir. These cones, bro, $2,000. Yo, what's that over there? Go, go, go. Let's hop in. You have no time. You're gonna block off the driveway. So I gotta block off the driveway. I know. But you know, it's okay, it's okay. But now I might put one more right here. You know what, that should be good. So you blocked off that driveway. Yeah, as you can tell. Yeah, I see that. So I gotta block this driveway too. I don't think it's gonna be enough cones. Yeah, it's not enough. I gotta get more cones. Shoot. I'm gonna go get more cones. Guys, shh. Don't worry about that. Got the beautiful RDI diesel. Yo, bro, are these cones free? He said they're free. Instead of $2,000, bro. I might drive off like this. And then I gotta finish this part here. Yes, I got more cones. In order to block off this driveway. Okay, guys. Oh no, should we? Nah. Yeah. Yo, it looks good. I am not. Alright, sorry about that. So sadly, Cool Guy is... Oh, yo, you left the game. He got third place. You just gonna win or lose. Ah! Damn it! Alright. So, out on this 6'9" RDI. Oh, whoa. Now I got the, 7.3 RDI. But now I might hop into TRX. Got a newer vehicle The Mustang is a 23. This is a 23. Yo, I'm on my third vehicle already, bro. I'm not a huge fan of this vehicle, but it is what it is. I might sell it soon. Should I just get out? Oh, ho, ho, ho. Get soaked in, bro. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, oh. Blowing coal. Oh! Damn, bro. Oh, 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 oh. The tires were standing there. Tires were standing. Twin turbos are always so hard. Guys, I am not out. Yo. Come on, bro. Got this OBS 7.3. Something popped, but hey, it's fine. I don't know what popped. Something broke. That's an ejector pop. Fixes. Yeah, did you hear that pop? Yo, what's wrong? Yo, what's wrong? Just for TRX. Yo, what happened to the red truck? Yo, 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 I think transmission went out. Where is this dude? He's got his GMC AT4. He's got his black GMC. Hello. Whoa. Yo, yo. Jeez. Yo, I kind of got him kind of good there. So far, the truck is doing really good. Yo, I might just... I might add on this ugly girl guard. Sadly, I am out on the TRX. That ain't stopping there. That ain't stopping there. That ain't stopping there. Yo, this guy is working on it. Bro, what is he doing? Whoa. I ain't letting that slide because I got the 7.3 RDI. No, nah. I might use the Ford Mustang. The second gen or the RDI might be last. Probably the second gen. Let me hop in this old Mustang. It ain't stopping there. Yo. Oh! Got this beautiful Ford Mustang. It's a gas though. Whoa! Jeez. Let me set up a little bit. There you go. Ah, dang it, we missed. Oh! Yo, I might cut out the windows real quick, low key. Yo guys, look at no windshield on it. This thing has 2,300 horsepower. This thing is super fast. Let me drink some of this water. Oh, sure is an OBS 7.3 and APM too. Yo. Oh! 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 Dang it. Oh! Yo, let's do some donuts. Yo, I might lift it a little bit. I need something you, boo. Oh! I lifted mostly. Oh, it drives way faster. Stop. Out of that cone. Yo, I took off the windshield out of this. Guys, rocks won't hit me. It will be fine. Oh no, let's put on the windows. Should we? That looks good. It's got that little car, that little Jeep. Ah, dang it. Well, stop. You're out. I'm on my 4th vehicle. And he might get the 7,000 horsepower 7.3. He has it. The 7.3 I gave him, he put a 7,000 horsepower 7.3 Power Stroke with only 90,000 miles. Whoa! Shoot, bro. Ah! Yo. Whoa! Yeah, I went out. I got out. I have to get a truck. Not anymore. Just put the Mustang in here, bro. Just put that there. Holy cow. Since we got 4 vehicles out, I might get the RDI. We're getting the RDI. 2nd gen might be last. I'm sorry, bro, but at least we're gonna use it, hopefully. Oh! Yo. I might do a little bit of tint. I'm out on this truck. That is okay. At least we got the 2nd gen as our last and only pickup. Let me just do something. Speed me, let's go 6, 7. 6, 7. I'm almost getting too old for it, but who cares? Stop and yield. Oh, wait. Is he at the... Oh! God, this 2nd gen. My 2nd gen. I gotta put in 4i. Oh! Oh! This is my last. Can use. So this truck I am out on, but let me spawn the 7-3 just in case if I have to use it. This. Yo, what? I'm gonna do this. Guys, so I'm using this 7,000 horsepower. So he's out on this car, on this 2nd gen. That is fine. I'm gonna use the vehicles that he's out on. Yo, this truck is... I really like this truck. So we can still go. He's using the 7,000 horsepower truck. And I have like this, like, I don't know, like 500 something horse truck. It's probably like 399 horse or 380 horse. Oh! No. Okay. Guys, you did not see that. Oh! Yo, what a hit on that, bro. Yo, I might put some on tonight. I might put on my carpet I have. It's been like 100 hours already. This truck is doing good. Ah, sorry. Might be. Come on. I'm gonna put on deodorant later. Because my armpit's gonna smell weird after the 100. Those got kind of like 15% window tint or 10. Oh! I really like this second gen. Orange cab lights, stock cab lights on it. Oh! Bro, this guy is pushing hard, bro. 7,000 horsepower. Uh-oh. 35 minutes. Yo, what happened? Yo. Guess I'll use... No. Yo, we are still going. Oh! Yo, what a hit. Oh! Yo. You win. Yeah. Two. Make. Going. I might use this guy's... Yeah. You're still going. Yeah, we are still going. Yo, bro. Got this big lifted GMC AT4. Ah! Shoot, bro. God dang it. Dang it. Oh! Come on. still going. Which kind of low-key sucks. Hey, that's grab. It's on 46s on this like 25-inch lift. Oh. Yeah, we are still going. Oh. Yeah, brother. Guys, do you like this GMC build that I done? Oh. Yo, what a hit, though. Yeah, like, actually, what a hit. Oh, whoa. Oh, boo boo. Oh. Oh. Yo, what a hit, though. Actually, what a hit. W hit on that. Comment down below if you like this GMC build. I do. Yo, all the derby parts are in the box. And on the bottom of the rear seat, bro. Real quick, I might take off this toolbox. And I might... Yo, yeah. Oh! This truck is still going. This thing is still going. Yo, I might... Yo, I'm gonna back up and push throttle. Here we go. After. No! Oh! I'm gonna push the gas throttle. Oh! Yo! Bro. Let's go. Ah! Dang nanik. Yo, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Yo, what a hit. Bro, we are still freaking going. Oh! No. This last trick. Yo, after this, I'm taking a break from the phone. My phone is kind of getting too hot. You win. I got second. Anyways, guys, so hope you did enjoy this YouTube video. Please like and subscribe. Peace out and see you in the next video. Peace.